plastic production has surged globally from 15 million tons in 1964 to over 350 million tons in 2023, with only 10% being recycled, leading to significant environmental repercussions, including 1.7 million tons of plastic entering oceans annually and the proliferation of microplastics that posing tricks to humans and ecosystems. In Bangladesh, inadequate infrastructure, rapid urbanization, and population growth exacerbate plastic waste challenges, with urban centers witnessing a steady rise in plastic waste. This surge poses severe environmental threats and health hazards. According to the Bangladesh government's Department of Environment, the country's recycling rate for plastic waste is estimated to be approximately 5% to 10%, largely due to limited collection and sorting facilities, insufficient incentives for recycling, and the presence of non-recyclable or contaminated plastic waste. Concurrently, sanitation and fecal sludge management remain a critical issue, particularly affecting women and those living in poverty. Around 40% of the population in Bangladesh do not have a decent toilet of their own, and 49% of the rural population in Bangladesh live in poverty, with women disproportionately affected. EcoRing aims to repurpose or upcycle plastic waste in the manufacturing process of concrete latrine components, including rings, slabs, footrests, and pillars. The primary goal is to mitigate plastic pollution while simultaneously bolstering the water, sanitation, and hygiene wash sector by reducing production costs for latrine producers.
EcoRing provides a very interesting opportunity for ID to utilize different kind of discarded plastic materials and reutilize them in different sanitation production. What it does for people in Bangladesh is that we are using an environmentally sustainable method, utilizing this in pit latrine production, which is a commonly used product all over Bangladesh, and exploring different environmentally sustainable methods in production.
In the prototyping stage, ID collaborated with Shah Jalal University for Science and Technology to evaluate low-value plastic waste in latrine construction. They tested various mix proportions 0%, 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20% using a 1:4 ratio of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate. Using state-of-the-art equipment such as universal testing machines, concrete compression machines, and permeability testing machines in laboratory settings, they evaluated the concrete's strength, permeability, and other physical properties.
In this research project, we are working with latrine rings for low-cost sanitation. Here, we named this type of ring as EcoRing. Why EcoRing? Because we are replacing coarse aggregate and fine aggregate from concrete used for this ring by low-value plastic waste. Brick chips are very much expensive. So if we replace these bricks by low-value plastic waste, this will be economical too. This research will be beneficial for both economically and environmentally.
Concurrently, ID worked closely with latrine producers to illustrate the project's objectives and gather insights from their perspectives. Ultimately, the findings indicated that a 10% replacement of coarse aggregate with low-value plastic yielded the optimal balance between concrete strength and suitability for non-load-bearing structures, such as latrines and separation walls. In the final stage, the project engaged the latrine producers from the prototyping phase, who were enlisted to construct and install EcoRing latrines using the optimized 10% replacement mix in 3 women-led households lacking proper sanitation. Periodic assessments of these households were conducted to gauge user experience and effectiveness of the EcoRing latrines in meeting the household's sanitation needs.
আমরা সাধারণত ওই নরমাল রিংগুলা সিমেন্ট কংক্রিট বালু দিয়ে তৈরি করি আর বর্তমানে এই ইকুরিং আমরা তৈরি করি আপনার এই প্লাস্টিক দিয়ে এবং সাশ্রয় এবং পরিমাণ মতো আমরা ওইগুলা ব্যবহার করি
The EcoRing project is really an experimental study. Through this study, we were not only able to replace the brick portion by 10% while maintaining the permeability and strength of the concrete structures, but by doing so, we were also able to lower the production cost for the latrine producers while maintaining the requirements of the buyers. The main goal is to mitigate plastic pollution while strengthening the wash sector.
An optimized business model is crucial to ensure the sustainability of any innovation. a quick assessment of multiple business models to manufacture eco-rings by conventional latrine producers has been conducted. This aims to expedite the commercialization of eco-ring products in a rapidly expanding latrine market.
আইডি বাংলাদেশ একটা বার্তা দিয়েছে, আমি অনেক খুশি হয়েছি এবং আমার বাচ্চাও আমার খুশি হয়েছে, আর দেখতেও আমরা খুব ভালো লাগছে। আমি সবাইকে বলবো এটা ব্যবহার করার জন্য।
আমরা যে আগে লেফটিন ব্যবহার করতাম এটা সাধারণ লেফটিন ছিল, প্লাস্টিক দিয়ে যে লেফটিন তৈরি করা হয় এটা আগে আমরা জানতাম না। আইডি বাংলাদেশ আমাদেরকে প্লাস্টিক দিয়ে লেফটিন তৈরি করে দিয়েছে। এটা পরিবেশের জন্য ভালো, স্বাস্থ্যসম্মত। আমরা অনেকদেরও বলবো এই লেফটিন ব্যবহার করার জন্য।
আমরা আগে যে লেফটিন ব্যবহার করতাম, আইডি বাংলাদেশ আমাদেরকে লেফটিন দিচ্ছে, এটা ব্যবহার করতে ভালো লাগছে।
Designed with sustainability and safety in mind, e-coring offers an affordable and accessible solution for households. Households can be the catalyst that can promise a cleaner and safe environment for all.
আইডি যে ইকোরিং তৈরি মাধ্যমে এবং সেটা যে বিভিন্ন জনগোষ্ঠীর মাঝে স্বাস্থ্যসম্মত স্যানিটারি ল্যাট্রিন নির্মাণে যে সহায়তার কাজটা, এটা অবশ্যই একটা প্রশংসনীয় উদ্যোগ। আইডি এই যে তারা যে রিং এবং স্ল্যাব তৈরি করতেছে তাদের থেকে, সেটা হলো প্রায় 10%-এর মতো আপনারা বর্তমানে প্লাস্টিককে রিসাইকেল করে সেখানে ব্যবহার করতেছে। এটা অবশ্যই একটা পরিবেশ বান্ধব উদ্যোগ এবং এটাকে অবশ্যই আরও ত্বরান্বিত করতে হবে। প্লাস্টিক এমন একটা বর্জ্য যেটা যেখানে মানুষ বসবাস করে সেখানে মানুষের বাসস্থান, উদ্ভিদ খাদ্য সংগ্রহের যেখানে স্থান এবং উদ্ভিদ যেখানে খাদ্য সংগ্রহ করে সেখানেও কিন্তু বাধা সৃষ্টি করে। প্লাস্টিক মানুষ এবং পরিবেশকে প্রত্যক্ষ এবং পরোক্ষভাবে উভয়ভাবে প্রভাবিত করে।
I'm really excited about this team's initiative, which aligns closely with the ethos of ID's founder's vision, harnessing the power of markets and entrepreneurs to tackle global challenges. Our eco-ring project has enabled us to explore the field of circular economy and how its principle can be woven into all our existing portfolio. At present, we're implementing in the area of wash, but the model has the potential to be adapted across all our entire portfolio. If we can identify appropriate business and scaling models, this could not only boost employment in waste management sector, but also fortify the wash sector in Bangladesh, sparking innovation with rural communities and promoting the upcycling of plastic waste in numerous and remarkable ways.